Today, I'm going to talk about the pyrotechnics used in BMW EVs. What are these components doing on cars such as i3, X3, iX4, when our vehicle is involved in an accident and gets hit? These pyrotechnics will need to be replaced. Inside, there is a small explosive. The principle is like an airbagger when there is an accident. It will help protecting us, and afterwards it will need replacement. Rather than charging an airbag, it instead cuts off the power supply of the high-voltage battery, preventing the high-voltage battery from outputting high-voltage electricity when unsafe. So each time after an accident, all pyrotechnics or pyro fuses will need replacement. However, these are quite expensive, and we have cheap aftermarket options available. So how is the replacement done? It's very simple. Just open the cover of this module, replace the pyro fuse with a new one, and that's it. How can we test whether the fuse is good or not? We can take a multimeter and set it to the continuity mode. Short these pins and check what the voltage is. Normally, if this pyro fuse is in good condition, its resistance value is extremely high. Now let's take a look at our multimeter to see what its resistance value is. Now our resistance value is extremely high. This proves that the pyro fuse we have here is good. On the other hand, a pyro fuse with no resistance, you will have continuity between the pins. This means the pyro fuse must have been used already. In this case, we must replace it. Pay attention, there can be more than one pyro fuse on a vehicle in different places. For example, 3 on the X3, 2 in the SME, 1 in the energy storage module.